Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AIB app not opening. First, check your internet connection and then make sure that it is working correctly. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the AIB Mobile Banking app, then swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few while, then reopen it. Next, restart your phone. This can fix temporary system issues that can prevent the apps from opening. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for AIB Mobile Banking, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. If the app still does not open, long press on the AIB mobile app icon, remove app, delete app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for AIB Mobile, and reinstall it from the App Store. Reinstalling the app can remove corrupted files that may cause the problem. Once the installation is complete, open the app and log in again. That's how you fix the AIB app not opening. Subscribe for more simple and clear tutorials.